I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca and welcome to 9 BOYD Avenue. This detached 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home features a finished lower level with 2 separate entrances and a full-size family kitchen. Also, there's a 1.5 garage and a large private drive. Come on in and have a look at 9 BOYD Avenue. 9 BOYD Avenue is located in one of the finest locations in Toronto, Weston Village. Weston is surrounded by amenities, shopping, some of the highest rated elementary schools, daycare facilities, highway access, as well as the upexpress, which features GO train travel, as well as the UP Express that goes between Pearson and Unionstation. It's a fantastic location to raise a family. Nine BOYD Avenue features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2 separate entrances to the finished lower level. In addition to that, this house was also upgraded over the years by a very proud family. For instance, let me show you the windows. They're high quality windows that tilt open and also open fully. The owner of this home has owned the home for decades and put a number of upgrades into it as well. Please continue to have a look at this house. We're in the backyard at 9 BOYD Avenue. This home features a large yard, a patio, garden shed. It's serviced by a 1.5 garage that's suitable for a large car and a workspace. And in addition to that, there's a walk-up in addition to the side entrance of the home, which leads straight to a second kitchen, which is ideal for a larger family or extra income for the home.